What's up, YouTube? Fitness Jones. Today I wanted to talk about cryptocurrency. If you don't know what cryptocurrency is, well, I'm sure you do since you tuned in. But I'm basically speaking about things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple. I mean, there's tons of them. But cryptocurrency has my attention because it allows you to cut out the middleman. Again, if you don't know what cryptocurrency is, it's basically a digital way to store value. In most cases, when I speak about crypto, I'm talking about, say, maybe using Bitcoin. I like Bitcoin because it's not centralized, like something that is centralized, like Ripple. I'm not a fan of cryptos like Ripple because the founders own way too much of it, and it's not owned by it's not necessarily owned by the public. You could go find a Ripple headquarters. You're not going to find a Bitcoin headquarters. It's not centralized. But anyway, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency will allow you to do transactions that can be validated between two parties, safely and securely. There's no reason that you need Visa or bank to do certain transactions. You basically get screwed when you do that. They have to increase the cost somewhere in order to pay for the service. There's no such thing as a free transaction. Trust me, you're catching it somewhere. But if you were to use something like Bitcoin, to do certain transactions, both parties can benefit with the removal of the third party. If Visa, MasterCard, or American Express weren't involved in your transactions, that shirt that you buy, or that Happy Meal, or that whatever you buy using a card would be cheaper. And the savings could be passed along to the producer and the consumer. And you can remove the bank, from that process. They're not needed. The way we do business and transactions is so dated. We have the technology to do transactions, from producer to consumer. Everything we do now when it comes to transaction business is has a third party, which doesn't make sense. They're not needed. We have the technology to do most transactions without third parties. forgot what I was talking about. But anyway, I like crypto.